Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Now in today's video I'm gonna be doing a simple makeup tutorial with a pink shadow. Pink can be too much sometimes, so I want to show you how I just do it very simple so that it's not too much. So with that being said, let's get started. So today the sun is actually shining. That's why I thought I can use this opportunity, to record a video. Oops, that was a little bit too much. So as usual, I like to cover my dark spots first. And covering my dark spots, I use this Fenty stick. This is on the shade Espresso number 5. I usually apply my eyeshadow first because when I apply the foundation and then I apply the eyeshadow, I feel like the eyeshadow is gonna mess up my foundation. I'm gonna start with this one. And then at this point, that's when I'm gonna put the shadow here. Only the little part. Then I'm gonna use this one. Just like this, and then I am gonna apply my foundation now. I'm gonna do it fast because they said I'm chasing the sun and the sun is literally going. I have to be fast. My foundation, I go again with the concealer and just go on top of that eyeshadow that I applied at the beginning. Now I'm trying to make it pop even more, so this helps, like putting the concealer first. It helps the eyeshadow not to move, not to move to your face. I think for now I'm going to apply my black liner, but I'm not gonna record that because it literally can take up all my time. Guys, I keep on moving, that's why don't be surprised, that's why my background keeps on changing. The sun is also moving so fast, so I'm trying to chase it. Today, because we're going with pink, I'm gonna apply this pink blush. At the end of the day, the blush is not too much. Yo, my edges, oh, they look crispy. Guys, don't be surprised my background keeps on changing. I'm literally trying to chase the sun. But now we are putting the lashes. Do you guys put lashes? I'm gonna put you on now. So after applying your glue, you wait a little bit until your lashes, they become tacky. I mean, the glue becomes tacky. And yeah, you take a mirror and you look down like this on the mirror. And then you put your lashes, like when you're looking down like this, I always use my hands because I feel like I have control. So you take the lash and you look down on the mirror. You place the lash in the middle first. And then you wanna adjust it on the sides. Honestly, you guys, I don't want to see any of you having these flying lashes. Like, are you a chicken? Keep on pressing the lash down, you know, until you feel like now it's sitting on the right lace. As I already said, you don't want to be flying like a chicken. Literally, it's embarrassing. I feel like those lashes are nice. Now, not forgetting my lips. Why is the sun going? I need the sun. I'm sorry, you. I'm so weird. What's going on? I'm even embarrassed. So you see, this is black. I have this thing. It's called a lipstick. It looks like this. If you're interested. It's brown. So I use it again on my upper lip. And then I use this Fenty cream lip gloss. I love this. My boyfriend bought me these. There were 5 and I've been loving it. And if you're planning to get me a lip gloss on my birthday or in the future, don't you dare get me any other lip gloss, please. I love the ones from Fenty. I actually like this. I'm not gonna change anything. So what else is missing now? Don't forget to spray just a little bit, because I always spray with a setting spray at the end because I always feel like it gives me the glow. I don't know, did I forget anything? I feel like that's it, man. You guys, I really don't want to see any of you looking like you coming out from a makeup drum. They just dipped you and then you just... So this is it, you guys. What do you think? Do you think I really did a good job? I think I did. Please stop playing with me. I really don't want to see any of you looking like, you know, I give you tutorials, very simple tutorials, so please just be cute. Put on your lashes, put on your shadow, put on a cute lip gloss. You know, just look cute. I'm actually feeling myself so much right now because I think I did a good job with this tutorial. But yeah, let me know what you think, and let me know if you're gonna try it. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and share this video to some girls that like to do makeup, you know. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.